Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can go live on chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, going live is very easy. It is not directly tied to the chess.com site at all. All you need to have is have an account on a streaming service, such as Twitch, YouTube, Kick, whichever streaming service you would like. Open an account there where you can stream, and then you need to download and install a program for streaming. A couple of them include OBS Studio and OBS Streamlabs. You can use both, it really doesn't matter. All you have to do is connect them to your account on your streaming service, hit the go live button, and then you can start streaming chess right off the site. Now, one more thing that I would recommend you have is that you should have a good internet connection, and by that I mean you need to prioritize your upload speed, since if your upload speed is high, then more than likely your stream will be of a low quality, people won't be satisfied, and then you will lose viewers. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.